So I wanted to provide an update for my primary vehicle. I apologize for the rather moody lighting. That's daylight savings for you, but this is about the windshield on the Jeep. After around 9 months, the windshield, as far as I know, has been repaired. The crack has been sealed, for the most part, but I wanted to provide a plot just to summarize, in case if some of you have been wondering about the story on how the windshield has gotten repaired. So within the first few months after the windshield crack occurred, to those that may not be familiar, I'll put the crack in a brief description. I was traveling southbound on 270 last February, and immediately after going under the railway bridge, a piece of gravel came in and struck the windshield right where I'm pointing my finger, right within that sort of like the general area of where the windshield crack had been placed. So within the first few months after the crack had occurred, I looked up solutions to repair the windshield, like the Permedix, I don't know how you pronounce the thing, but it's a windshield repair kit that normally repairs small chips or bullseyes on your windshield, and so I tried to perform the repair, and it didn't go well because I basically had to lean on the vehicle while performing the repair. Yeah, this is basically me leaning on the Jeep while trying to seal off the windshield crack with the repair kit that I picked up from Advanced Auto. And so I tried a second way of doing the repair, but we were already getting into the summer heat, and there was no way I was going to fix the cracked windshield, because the windshield repair kits that I was familiar with would only perform in 50 to 70 degree weather, and with certain driveways like this, again, I apologize for the very moody lighting outside, there would always be a gamble as to determine when am I going to have shade to perform the repair, and when am I going to have sunlight to perform the repair. So because the repair kits that I picked up only provided very little effort, I tried looking at some of the other like auto glass repair shops around my area, and the hours didn't benefit me either. And then I tried Safelite, and at first my request didn't go through, or at least I couldn't get a feasible time that I wanted, but my mother did. My mother was able to basically carry my windshield repair performance through Safelite, and this was basically my 26th birthday to get the windshield repaired on the Jeep. And originally there was a Safelite appointment that my mother had booked 2 weeks after my birthday. That was on October the 26th, but due to site week, she had postponed it to November 7, which is currently the current date as I'm currently filming right now, but for the most part, it looked like the windshield has been repaired for the moment. I'm feeling my thumb, not feeling any sort of impacts, or at least a certain change in smoothness. We'll go inside the vehicle and see what sort of difference there is on the inside. So I know that the impact may still be here. I'm still feeling it with my finger, but as far as I know, it's improved for now. I'd be curious to test the durability for this windshield for a car wash. But yeah, as far as I know, the windshield crack problem has been resolved for the most part. And the funny coincidence, I would say, about the windshield repair is that the repair at Safelite took only, well, I don't know how to summarize this, but it basically took 26 days after my 26th birthday to get the windshield repaired from Safelite. I don't know how funny that would be for coincidence or not, but as far as I know, the windshield has been resolved for the most part. So be curious to take this Jeep for a car wash to see how the windshield holds up. I'm hoping that the crack doesn't expand. The windshield is smooth, so there's no guarantee that the crack will expand, but just rambling and stuff. That's basically what I do, but that's gonna be it for me, and I hope to keep you guys updated whenever the next primary vehicle update comes around.